Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to use our third member assembly stand. You'll want to source 3 3/8 bolts and nuts to go with it, as they're not included with the stand. One cool thing about the stand real quick is that this bolt comes off on the back, and you can take this plate off, and this whole stand can actually slide into like an engine stand as well. So we'll go ahead and show you that real quick here. Just like so, boom. And that can slide right into your engine stand. And for this bracket here also comes with a plate on the bottom, mount plate with 4 bolts. We'll go ahead and set this aside for now, as well as the bolt, and we'll get this attached to our third member housing. Slide her on over here. And depending on your housing, you might not have clearance to go to the underside, but this one, we'll go ahead and bolt to the top like so. And this stand is slotted. It is slotted to allow for fit up. That way you're not fighting the bolt hole or anything like that. And you don't want to tighten the bolts right away until you get them all fit up. So once you get all the bolts on there, just go ahead and snug it down. And once they're snug, you can go ahead and slide it either into your adapter plate or into your engine stand and go ahead and get her built. I hope you learned a little bit about our third member assembly stand today. Thanks so much for watching.